Well, good morning, everybody. I'm up at a 1940 school today. You can see I'm standing here on one of the dugouts for a baseball field. I'm going to start back here on a baseball field for a little while, see if I can find anything. I'm going to move on up by the school. Other places today. Let's get started here on this baseball field and see if we can find anything interesting. Now I'll get back to the first interesting target. Well, the first non-coin target, I got me a key. Let's see what else is here. Old baseball field. I hunted that strip out in front of the dugout here, around by home plate and around by the other dugout so far. This is the junk I've dug so far. Quite a few nickels and some other change, and there's that key. And I got one here coming in at a 12-13, just like another nickel. Right here behind home plate. Not a nickel. Check that out. That's my favorite places to hunt on. Baseball fields. About a 15-foot wide strip from one dugout around behind home plate over to the other dugout, and I just dig everything there is. I found quite a few rings that way. We'll get a closer look at this one later. Look, it looks like gold and ring in like gold, and it does have a hallmark right there. Might have got gold this morning. Let's see what else is on this old baseball field. Well, I'm actually over behind the outfield, behind the baseball field. Now working a little bit. Got one here coming in 25-26. I got a weighty. $19.44. Let's see what else is back here on this part. Well, let's try this one on a live dig. Doesn't sound all that great, but it keeps getting up there around 32, 33. Let's see what it is. Might just be junk, but it sounds really good. I think I see it already. Copper tubing of some sort. Always sounds good. On to the next. Another one on a live dig. Anywhere from 27 to 30. Found all kind of weird stuff back here. Oh, check it out. Gonna be some kind of handle. Huh. I don't know if that was a spoon, but some kind of little handle off something. Got a little hole in it. Anyways, let's keep going. $24.26. Let's see, down about 5 inches or so. And there it is. Looks like it's going to be a silver. Check it out. A mercury dime. Ain't that cool? 1944. I said, I don't know what this place was back here. It's all kind of weird junk, but I got me a mercury dime out of it. Go with my 44 wheat penny. See if there's anything else. Well, here's the question getter of the day. Coming in 24.25. Well, I have no idea what that is. It's blind on that end. Got little hole, cross holes there, and a hole all the way through it. Made out of solid copper. I think I'm gonna move on back up towards the school. Getting some weird stuff back here. Anyways, on to the next. That one coming here to 18.19. And I got another one of those pins with the cross in it. That one hasn't been out here very long at all. Always cool to find. On to the next. Working here by the bathrooms. I usually have some pretty good luck around the bathrooms. I have one here coming in at 24.25. Pretty little blue stone. There you have it. Another ring. Well, that was just about turned black. That is too cool. Can't see any hallmarks in it at the moment. Well, there might be one right there. On the back of the stone this time. Cool. Let's keep going. Had one coming here, 18.19, and this is why you can't always go by those numbers. A quarter and a pull tab. Quarters usually ring up at 30. Pull tabs usually come in at 12, 13. That was coming in at 18 because it was in the same hole. Let's keep going. Good quarter signal. And there lays quarter. $19.81. Let's keep going. Well, I had one here coming in another 12.13 like a nickel. Now check that out. I got me a little key. Probably a little charm off a necklace or a bracelet, but still a little skeleton key. On to the next. A little playground before I head around the front of the school and call it a day. Good quarter signal. Easy money in the tot lots. Let's see if there's anything else here. Here's another good quarter signal. I think I'll call this one my last target for today. That's a good way to end the day. Got a dollar coin out of the tot lot. I will see y'all at the wrap up. Hey everybody, gonna do a wrap up for today's hunt. Today I come up to a 1940 school. I hunted around one of the old baseball fields and back out behind one of the baseball fields, and then come on up around the school and playgrounds and all that. Found plenty of stuff today. Back there behind that old baseball field, found all kinds of old garbage. There's a tube of something and a bunch of copper pieces. There's a piece of copper tubing. Of course, a grommet. You're gonna find those when you get around a baseball field. Got an old roofing nail. It's a really old one. You see all the bottle caps, pull tabs, and just garbage up there. Done really good on the clad today. I got $4.50 in quarters, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 nickels. Plenty of nickels chasing that gold. I got $1.50 in dimes and almost a whole roll of pennies. I think there's 48 pennies there. Always with the pennies. And just all the other odds and ends stuff here. Got a button that says 10 ounce on it. I got half of some kind of medallion or something or other. I'm not quite sure what it was. Just got half of it. Got the bed off of a toy truck. All I got was the bed. I got some kind of spoon handle or handle for something back there behind that old baseball field. Not quite sure what it went to. And this little odd piece here, kind of an odd angle with the sun, but I'm not quite sure what it is. I'll get a picture of it. Maybe one of y'all might know what it is. I dug this back there behind the baseball field when I first saw it. Thought I had another silver coin, but it's just some kind of little aluminum piece. I got a gas key. I got another cool little here. It's actually probably part of a bracelet or a necklace or something, but hey, it's a skeleton key. I don't find many of those. And I got another one of those pennies with the cross punched out in it. Always fun to find. And over in the tot lot, I got me a dollar coin. Always love finding the dollar coins. And I got me a 1944 Wheatie. I believe that's just a no mint mark. And I got a 1944 Mercury dime. I believe it's a D. And I got me 2 rings. And this is why I chase all those nickels and pull tab signals. It's near coming in at 12.13. It's like a nickel. It is marked 14 karat, and you can see all the little stones on it. Got me a nice little gold one today. And then this one here, right back where the stone is, it says 925. A pretty little silver one. I like how that one's turned almost black. I think I'll leave that one that way. Anyways, I do love hunting up at my schools. I always find a lot of good stuff. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next.